Hey, so today we are going to organize. This is already organized, but you'll see the mess of it. Before we get started, my name is Teresa. This is, thanks for joining me on my channel. And if you like it, please thumbs up and think of subscribing. It helps me a lot. Thanks. Okay, y'all, here is the aftermath of the holiday Christmas mess of my nook. Yeah, we're going to be doing some videos to fix this issue, starting with this trolley where everything got dumped before I could use what I had organized it with for Nutcracker. We're going to fix this next year so I don't have to keep using my stuff. All right, so the way that I attack this is I have this bucket that I'm putting all of my stamps, stencils, and die cuts with, and I'm going through them going, do I want this anymore? Do I not want this anymore as I do it? And I do this process of eliminating product that I don't use about once or twice a year. And so this bucket I'm putting all this in is actually going to be staying in there with all of it. And I'm taking out all of the loose papers and stuff that I wound up dumping in there because I needed that container I was using. So next I am moving over where all of my inks, Tim Holtz sprays, paints, mixed media product and stuff like that. And then I keep looking around where I'm sitting to see what I have, to know what I can, use and not use in there. And I take some more stuff out because I didn't use those bins I had in there. They really didn't fit. So I'm going to use them elsewhere in my craft room where they fit better. And so now I'm taking, you can't see it, but I'm taking all the stuff off from the bottom. Because again, there's a lot of loose papers there that I dumped. And I'm trying to figure out bins of what I want to use and what I don't want to use. And that bin that I have, it has tons of clusters, but it's all mixed between finished clusters and bases. So I have to get those separated. And so I'm kind of working on that. And then I decide, nope. That's another project for another time. So I start deciding, I have a hard time deciding where I want things, and I move things all the time around. So I have this container that I'm taking, and it is going to hold, I don't remember what it holds. Holds something. I cannot remember what I put in there. Let me look. Oh, I decided to put all of my containers. I'm trying to decide what I'm going to do. See, I put those on there and I'm like, no, I don't like those. And I wind up finding like stickers. And, it's a mess. The whole thing's a mess, and so glad it's done and looking way better. So I'm emptying all this front stuff off, because it's so much easier to have a clean slate of putting stuff back. So I tend to clean off a whole bunch and have them in like a couple containers or on my desk or whatever, and then I clean it and organize it. My brain works better that way. Your brain might not work better that way. My dyslexic brain works a little different than most, but that's okay. That is a container that has a project that I need to finish, and I'm hoping by putting it there, I'll get it done. We'll see if that happens. Yeah, wait till the end, and I actually go over everything that I did. My video kind of it cut off in the mix of some of this. So it's kind of frustrating. But anyway, so here I am, literally putting the stickers in the containers now in that that bin. Which it's still like the first two shelves containers on these trolleys I use, and I see the bottom is where I put stuff I don't use all the time and I rarely use, which I need to get better at looking down there and going, oh look, I have this, let's use this. So yeah, I need to better do that. So right now I am trying to find what I want. I'm putting, like, I have tons of little fallen stuff in there from when I dumped. So like I have little letters, little signs, you know, a lot of those Tim Holtz tiny piece things. Which, funny enough, I just went shopping and bought some again. And then I found the ones that I were missing. So I have extras now. Maybe I'll throw those in a giveaway. I don't know. But let me know in the comments below if that's something you would like when I hit my 1,000 subscriber giveaway of some Tim Holtz ephemera packs. Because I do have quite a bit, which I'm never gonna, yeah. So if that's something you're interested in, let me know. So right now I'm going through and going, okay, I want lace in there. I want my sew ruffles, my paper ruffles, all that kind of stuff. So I have it all at hand up top. So now is where I start putting all the stuff in on the top that I want, and my video shuts off pretty soon, so I give you a tour at the end. But I'm just cleaning up all the little stuff that I missed. It's just easier to take a thing and wipe, you know. So that's what I did, and I hope you like the end result. Let me know if you do, and if you have another suggestion. I'm always up for good suggestions. Yeah, see, that just does not fit that I had down below. So I wind up moving it. I don't even know where it's at right now. Okay, so we finished our cart, and my phone like disconnected, so some of it was not recorded. But anyways, let's go for what I have. So I have these two, which I've made in a previous video, but I'm going to be making more to fit through here. Because I love the idea I can just take it and lift it and go through it. So one is for pockets, one is for tags. Then I have a little tray up at the top that has like little, you know, clusters, threads, ruffles, stuff like that. This is a Mod Podge of a bunch of stickers and just paper and stuff to use. It will get separated a little bit better, but right now it works. And then down here, I have my tie back. And then we have, this is all die cuts and stamps and stencils. And we have, let me put my other stencils in there. And then this has paints and stuff, fun stuff like that. I have some stickers right in front, and then this is just filled with stickers and ephemera boxes. And this is a current project I need to finish. And then down there is a Mod Podge. We have piano paper. This is fabric bucket. This has like punches. That is down there because I'm not sure where I'm going to put it, so it just fit. And then that is fabric. So yeah, that's my journal trolley. Thank you for joining me. If you liked this, please give it a thumbs up and think of subscribing. And you guys are important. Bye.